na mutongoria wa gikundi gya kuhũranĩra na kũrũĩrĩra ihoto cia mwana wa Airitu oro hamwe na muthomi Nancy Mobini ugĩte ciana nyingĩ nĩ ikoretwo igĩthutũkanio mathomo-inĩ kumana na ũndũire mũru wao kana kumana na ũndũire mũru wĩgiĩ kahinda kao ka o mweri. Oho nĩ ũcakaĩte kũhinyĩrĩrĩka kwa arutwo aingĩ na arĩa maumĩte mĩciĩ ĩrĩa ĩtehotete na kũrĩa mugĩte atĩ aingĩ nĩ arĩa makoragwo makĩaga tauro cia ũtheru maya mokĩte rĩrĩ kana rĩrĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kũhũra cabi kambĩ-inĩ ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ũndũ ũyũ nĩ wakorwo ũkĩhĩmbĩrio, kuona atĩ airĩtu aingĩ na makĩria kaunti-ini itiganĩte nĩ makoragwo magĩcamba kumanagia na kahinda kao ka o mweri.
My name is Nancy Mombi, and I'm excited to be here this day in Utheru Secondary School in Laikipia, and to address the menstruation health and to see how we can help the girl child in Laikipia and even across the country as the time goes by, to be able to address this so-called menace. It's not a menace, but where it has reached for the girl child, for us it looks like a menace, because most of our girls are missing classes because of lack of sanitary pads.
Government should come up, and as Nancy said, it should be part of the education system, so that the children can be able, the girls can be able to learn about it, because I think most of them, they lack the information. If they had the information, I'm sure we wouldn't be having these discussions of going to schools and teaching them. But if it's part of the education system, like it's part of class, and the sanitary towels, what they're supposed to use is also given in school.
Menstruation comes with a lot of negative effects, and especially health. If they are not educated on the menstruation health, there are a lot of infections that they are bound to get.
Majina ni Bi Mwangi, nimesimamia idara ya guidance and counseling hasa kwa wasichana. Sisi kama shule tumefurahia sana kukuja kwa hii group ya pad presets. Tumeappreciate kama shule, sababu sisi kama walimu darasa tunakuwa na changamoto nyingi kuona wasichana wetu wanashindwa kusoma, hasa kuconcentrate vizuri kwa masomo, hasa wakati wanajipata kuna menstrual.
We appeal to the government to be able to provide it, or to even put it in their plan that they are able to provide the girl child with sanitary pads in school, to give this a priority, just like they give priorities to the school fees and the books, to give this a priority. Because in my research, I have realized that most of the girls miss at least 3 days from school.
Akone kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, haru tukorwo tugithie kaunti namba 20